All right, so I'm doing a fairly small wedding, kind of out in the country, in the backyard of where I live, in the city of where I live. And so I decided to do this particular video on what I would do if I was photographing a wedding and I only had one camera and one camera lens to use. What would that be? So today I'm rocking the Sony a7 IV with the Sigma 24-70. I feel like that's a very versatile lens. It's a versatile, however you want to pronounce it. It's a very versatile lens as far as being at 24, you could shoot wide. You can zoom all the way in at 70 and get some close-ups. Most 24-70s have an aperture of 2.8. So the lower the aperture number, that just means the more blurry the background can be if you're fairly new at this. So yeah, a 24-70, it's really, really good. It's a very safe lens for shooting wide and for zooming in and shooting some really, really good close-ups. So I've got the Insta360 X3 on here. So I'm going to show you just a little bit of behind the scenes stuff of family photos, details, and some portraits that I did of the couple. So yeah, it's going to be a super easy wedding. I've got my main man, Marcus, here holding on to the Osmo Pocket 3. You can see his particular camera in there. He's going to be filming this. He's going to be filming this wedding. So the deliverables for this particular client, obviously photos, and then just a 3-minute highlight video. So even though it's just a 3-minute highlight video, I am going to shoot with a 2-camera option. So I've got Marcus's A7S III with his Sony 24-70 G Master lens. He's rocking on a DJI RS2 gimbal with a Atomos Ninja 5 on there. And then my other camera is going to be on a tripod. It's actually sitting way over there. It's another Sony A7S III, and it's got an old school Sony 70-20 version 1 lens on there, G Master version 1 lens. So that'll be on a tripod, kind of 45-degree angle, aiming at the bride. I wanted to aim at the bride. And then Marcus is just going to float around. So yeah, not going to go too crazy. I didn't bring a whole lot of gear because normally when I do these full photo video weddings, where I've got like, a 6 to 8 minute highlight video plus a longer full cinematic video to edit for them, I usually bring a whole lot of gear, lights, tons of audio equipment, for capturing a bunch of stuff. But this is a very chill couple. This is a very relaxed event. I know the couple. If this was a couple that I didn't know, I would probably still bring everything just so that I'm safe. But I know this couple. I know their style. I know their feel. So that's why I could go a little bit lax on everything, photo and video wise. So yeah, super, super easy, gorgeous late October day. Yeah, everybody's just hanging out. So yeah, we got probably like another 45 minutes before the wedding starts. So boom. Thank you, my dude.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah. Okay, well don't hurry too much because okay. I'll be sure
They're almost getting recorded. Then they'll call me when I pull up because they'll have to come in because they have to meet.
You're doing great, Hunter. You just stay right there. I'm gonna set Alex up behind you, and we'll take a couple photos, and then she will let you know when she wants you to see her. Alex, you can just stand right here where I'm at. Yeah, perfect. I'm gonna go around Marcus here. I'm gonna snag a couple photos. You both look awesome. All right, let's see here. Beautiful. And Hunter, can just look at me just for this one. Yeah, perfect. Cool. Let me get back into position. Mark, is you recording? You good? All right, let me make sure this thing is rolling over here. So, Alex, on the count of 3, you can either tell him to turn around or you can walk up to him and tap him on his right shoulder. And he'll turn around and see you. But whenever you're ready. How does she look, Hunter? Yeah. Heck yeah, she does. You know, while you both are there, why don't you guys just stand like side by side, arms around each other, just for one picture for now. Yeah. Yeah, y'all look great. Here we go. Yep, arms around. Perfect. Love that. 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Why don't you guys just look at each other real quick. Going for a kiss if you want to. Love it. Got it. Cute. Thank you both. That's cool. So your dad's definitely not in there? No? Okay. Cool. Okay. Good.
You go in until we can do this first look. I said that.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that's right. Did you want to do it in the same spot? Yeah? Okay. All right, no problem. So, yeah, if you wanted to go hide, I can make sure that he comes out.
I want to make sure he's not out right now.
100%. You said his name was Dale? Dale. 100%, I will. Which one's Dale? Could you hide in the restroom so she can go to the restroom and hide? And then you can go, and then I can take you out for your spot. Okay. You're awesome.
He's usually my butthead brother, though, and he's doing the night.
He's doing super awesome today. He's doing awesome today. Okay, let me just take a couple photos from here. Let's see, Alex, I'm going to have you look at me for this one. And then Dad, you can look at me too. Perfect, let me get some verticals. All right, let me get back over here in position. And then for this one, Alex, if you want to, you could just tell him to turn around whenever you're ready. And then, Mom, you can basically like hold. You can also hold the bouquet as well. Yeah, perfect, just like that. Cute. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. One more time. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna have you both look at each other and just awkwardly smile and laugh. Yeah. There we go. Got it. Perfect. And one more time, look at me and go cheek to cheek. Beautiful. Beautiful. Got it. Cool. Thank you. And then, yep.
marry this woman to this man. That's it. We are gathered here today for your family.
Mike.
And give thanks to God for this unity and love of family. Family is what knits us together. It strengthens us to achieve our goals and strive to be the best. Ecclesiastes 4:12 reminds us a threefold. Hunter, you should strive every day to show Alexandria how much you love her. Alex is more than just a woman or just a companion. Alex is your life and soul. Proverbs 18:22 says, "Whoso findeth a wife findeth a good thing, and obtaineth favor of the Lord." Alexandria is a gift from God to you.
This. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. You both are going to love this one. I'm going to have you both look at each other and smile. I'm going to have you both going for a kiss from here. Beautiful. Let me show you a couple of these. That way you can see what I'm looking at.
Oh, yeah.
And
Yeah.
like showing off the dress, that looks really good.
Great.
It looks really good.
Oh gosh. My hat on.
I told him he could wear a hat, but he chose not to.
I mean, mad respect. You're trying to keep it somewhat traditional and look, you know.
Fancy.
Yeah, fancy. I like that. All right, you know what? Let's do this. Alex, like, I know Hunter is much taller. Alex, I want to try and do the thing where you wrap your arms around Alex's neck, and you can even bring that bouquet and just kind of have it hanging over. Yep, perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. That looks cute. Yeah, just like that. Hold that real quick. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna try to focus on the bouquet on this one. It's more of like a detail shot. That's cute. Let me get out of the way so Marcus can get some cool videos. And then from there, I'm gonna have y'all going for a kiss. Oh, that's cute. Beautiful. Love it. Let's do this. Alex, you can turn and face me. And then Hunter, you're just gonna slide your boots right under the dress, right behind her. Perfect, just like that. Oh, sorry, Marcus.
You're good, bro. I'm walking around.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Yeah, I love this. That's cute. Yep. Hunter. Yeah, hands on the hips. That's perfect. Yeah, just like that. Love this. Here we go. Oh, the lighting is perfect right now. Gorgeous. For this next one, Alex, let's see. How about you bouquet in the right hand down? Yeah, perfect. Left hand can go on his hand on your hip. Yeah, perfect, just like that. And then Hunter, you can have your right hand on her hip as well. And then Alex, your gaze is going to be down here. And then Hunter, I know you can't really see from that angle, or maybe you can. For lack of better words, you're just going to look down her chest. Yeah, there we go. Love that. And then slide, smile. And then from there, Alex, you can actually look at me and smile. And then Hunter, I want you to pretend like you're smelling her ear through her hair. Yes, cute. Let me show you all a couple of these.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah. Yep, I love those. Okay, I'm gonna borrow this from you. Awesome. Let's do this. Let's have Hunter. You can actually come and step in front of Alex. Let me just ever so slightly move that there. Perfect. Yeah, just like that. Alex, is it okay if I just put this down here? I'll just put this right here. Let's see. Hunter, I'm gonna have you, oh, you're still gonna face me, but you're just gonna slide that way. A little bit more. And you can put your hands in your, hold on a second, let's do this. Right hand can go in your pocket. Left hand can grab onto like your jacket thing. So, yeah. Heck yeah, that looks awesome. And then that hand can go like on his bicep, that manly bicep of his. Perfect. I'm gonna have y'all rotate maybe this way a little bit. Excellent. Love that. Very cute. Ooh, I like this. Let's see. Which way you stand? This way. Hunter, I know you're not going to be able to see her, but maybe have your gaze like over your shoulder. And then Alex, yeah, you can just look up at him. Cute. Cute. Love it. Hunter, while you're looking that way, Alex, I want you to look at me. Maybe like slightly rest your, yeah, perfect. Beautiful. Love that. Got it. Cute. Let's do this. Let's do one more. Hunter, I want you standing behind Alex. Oh. Hunter, you can stand slightly on that side. Hunter, your left hand can go on her hip. Yeah, I love that. Alex, your hand can be on top of his hand. And now, Alex, I want you to look eye level, like towards my camera tripod over there. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe towards the forward edge thing. Yeah. And then, Hunter, I want you to look eye level, maybe towards that piece of concrete thing that's up against the, yeah, there we go. Ooh, this is moody. Love this. This is a good shot right here. Gotta Photoshop those kids up, but that'll be easy. That'll be no problem. How's this shot for you, Marcus?
Oh, it's great.
Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm gonna show them a couple. I know it's slightly dark, but I'm gonna make it look, oh shoot. I'm gonna make it look really, really good when I edit it. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. Oh gosh, that looks awesome. That's cool. Okay.